Hey everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Johan Antonio Vino Palebangan. Today I'm going to talk about something personal, my body clock. I reflect on whether I'm an early bird or night owl. The pros and cons, how it shapes my daily activities, my future career plan, and how I get along with people whose body clocks differ from mine. Honestly, I don't think I'm strictly a morning person or strictly a night person. I call myself a neither type. Somehow, in between during exam weeks or coding deadline, I stay up until 1 or 2 a.m. maybe because my mind feels surplus then, but on days with a early class, I can still wake up at 5 or 6 a.m. and function well. My biological clock is simply adapt to what the day demands. The upside is flexibility. I can fit in early morning meetings or late night deadlines without it feeling unnatural. This is especially helpful on group projects with varying schedule. The downside is inconsistency. Some nights I go to bed at 10 p.m., others at 2 a.m. So sometimes I'm still tired even after a full night's sleep, and it's harder to maintain a consistent routine. But I'm actually a night owl. Adjust my activities to my current schedule. Usually in the morning, I do group discussion, presentation, or study if I am attending morning classes. On holiday or weekend, I usually exercise. Work that requires deep focus, such as debugging coding or studying complex material, is usually done in the evening because it's a quiet time and I can concentrate without distraction. Or if I have work to complete that night. Since I'm majoring in informatics, I am planning a career in software development, another type. Actually fits the tech industry well. Programming work is project-based, not strictly 9 to 5. Sometimes I am only early for a stand-up meeting. Other times I am debugging late at night before a release. Many software companies, especially startup and remote teams, support flexible hours. So many adaptable clocks becomes an advantage there. I think this is actually a good thing. Morning people might be able to focus on early day tasks that might be difficult to complete, while evening types might take over urgent work late at night when I'm too tired to be productive. This kind of balance can make teamwork more effective because people are at their best at different parts of the day. I don't think one type is better than the other. They just have different ways of working that are suited to different situations. People who tend to wake up early often have more energy and focus early in the day, while people who tend to stay up late might be more creative or productive later in the evening. Rather than comparing which is better, I think it's more important to understand each person's natural rhythms and make the most of their strengths. When people work according to their own body clock, they can perform better, feel less stress, and contribute more effectively to the team. Yes, Because my own rhythm is flexible, I can meet people halfway joining a morning type friends for a 7 a.m. study session or staying up with an evening type friend to finish an assignment. For example, in one group project, a teammate who was a strict morning type wanted to plan tasks at 7 a.m. While I preferred discussing things at night, we compromised planning in the morning when she was sharpest, and I handled the coding at night when I was sharpest. It worked out really well, and that experience convinced me different chronotype can complement each other as long there's good communication. To sum up, I fall into what I call a nether type, not strictly a morning person or an evening person. It comes with benefit like flexibility and challenge like an inconsistent sleep schedule. I don't think this makes me lazy. It's simply how my rhythm works. This flexibility will actually help me in my future career as a software developer, where schedules are not always fixed. And most importantly, I believe people with different chronotypes can work and mingle together well as long as there's understanding and good communication. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. This has been John Antonio Vino Palebangan, signing off. Have a nice good day all.